I made a whole tray of these ribs for myself because sharing is caring, but why share? If no one's here, I might as well have them all to myself.
When me push up on her body, she want broke her for me. And your mama told you to keep distance for me. Cause you know I like no nigga in my territory. Mentally a soldier.
So guys, the wig I'm wearing in this video is from Pre-bleached Wigs. All of the... Stop talking while I'm doing my voiceover! It's not nice and it's time consuming. Sorry guys. So in this bit of the video I'm not really going to talk because you guys already know how I do my wigs, and I think it's really like therapeutic, just like, you know, like watching someone do their wig like with music over. So yeah, all of the hair information is going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll be back once I am doing the next part of my, is this like a get ready routine? I'm not sure, but you know what I mean.
She begging me to come around. I tell her come around. 2 seconds with me, then she had to turn around and give it up. Back shot, then she wind up on it. Bedroom bully, baby love to rough up the kid. Rough up the kid. Bedroom bully, baby love to rough up the kid. Hey, Shanty girl wanna walk off for me. When me push up on her body, she want broke her for me. And your mama told you to keep distance for me. Cause you know I like no nigga in my territory. Mentally a soldier, my shit is over. Dangerous fine boy, come closer. Boss us like commando, move like the Django. Baby, I didn't come to go. She call me the real. Up in her belly when she hold me tight. Button on her thing like firefighter. Put her to sleep, let's tranquilizer. Yeah, she's calling my name. She can't contain. See, I drive her insane. And I'm the one to blame. We can fuck if you feel like you want to. Girl, I know you want, so can we do it so? Yeah. Girl, hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight. Girl, never leave me, please me, never release me, never let go, yeah. Never let go, no, yeah. She called me the Godfather. Never told me to push harder. Gun. One more push, she feel it in her bladder. Yeah, Niger, Americana. Coming with a feather. She call me the real. Up in her belly when she hold me tight. Watching her thing like firefighter. Put her to sleep, let's tranquilizer. Yeah, she's calling my name. She can't contain. See, I drive her insane. Shout out to my yardy ones, the party ones, even the rowdy ones. You remember that girl from Barbados? They can't break us. Evil operators, fakers. tell your mother, go tell your father, go tell your mother, I'm the Godfather. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Scarface, the Godfather, I'm the Dundada. Yeah, 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 She called me the real life womanizer. Up in her belly.
Rib. With the sticky barbecue sauce and the seasoning. I made a whole tray of these ribs for myself because sharing is caring, but why share? Why ask to share with people? I don't know what I'm trying to say. If no one's here, I might as well have them all to myself. But I'm not gonna make sure. But I'm not gonna make sure that I go out of my way to make sure someone's here, so I have to share it. Does that make sense? I'm not gonna make sure I go out of my way to make sure someone is here when I'm eating these ribs, so I have to share them. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, sorry. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna go wash my hands and come back. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. So I'm really just gonna do a natural-ish type of look. Yeah? 1 second.
I'm gonna be late until
I'm filming. Listen, I get it, like I'm clockable right now because my ear tabs are just doing madness, but I really don't care because the headband, so you guys can't really clock me yet. So I'm gonna go with my Revolution, I think it's EGF serum, I don't know, but we're just gonna go like this, like you know the Instagram girls do it. Let's do it. You're gonna go. I've got a little breakout there. Don't know where that's come from. This is quite oily, but it is very hydrating. And once that is done, I then spray my Real Badescu all over my face. Okay, so I'm not gonna do like priming and all that mainly because I just feel like I don't really need to prime. This eyebrow is a lot more arched than that eyebrow, can you guys tell? And that's just how my eyebrows are. This one's naturally higher than that one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and girl, I know you want, so come we do it so. Girl, hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight. Girl, never leave me, never release me. Now moving on to my face. So I feel like I don't really need foundation, but I feel like I like putting it on just for the simple fact that it just makes my skin look a lot more smoother. Like, I've got pretty good skin, but it just makes it look more. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do my waterline. I'm not gonna press on too tough. I just want it like just to be there. You see, you see, you see. And this is because, yeah, I've got... This might be uncomfortable for some people to watch. But this is the only thing, like, with eyes that I can actually do. Like, I can't put in contacts. I can't, like, touch my eye like that. Like, I just can't do it. But, yeah. I'm not putting a lot at all. I'm just spreading it out. So, I want to use the butt of my beauty blender to blend this out. So yeah, to be honest, right, I feel like with foundation it just makes my skin look a bit more like flawless, and it evens out my skin tone because my face is lighter than my body, but then my neck is like slightly, I don't know, my neck, it's just, it's not dark, but it's not I don't know. So at first I mix pure beige with just a little bit of fawn. So we'll go with this much pure beige, you can see, mixed with that much fawn. So I usually mix those together mainly because pure beige is a bit more neutral, but fawn is defo more goldeny. So I just, you know, mix it like this. And then go ahead and put that in the places that I need to highlight.
She called me the real life womanizer. Up in her belly when she hold me tight. Watching her nothing my firefighter. Put her to sleep, let's run for life.
And then I go in with pure beige again, only tiny bit. But I'll go in with C10.5 if I can find it. C10.5 Makeup Revolution one, which is definitely more whiter. So I put that, I don't put that like the same way I put the other one, I just put it here. Like so. And then literally a line down. That is not a very good line, but we move. And with this one, I let it sit there for a bit because the longer I let it sit, the more like a full coverage. I don't know how it means, like it dries down a bit, because when you blend it out when it's a bit dried down, yeah. And then I'm gonna use the to contour. I'm not sure what shade this is because I've had it but I never really used it. Hold on guys. Hello?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Well, it's a new legal side of that.
Yeah?
I like it still.
I do. I look like a mum.
You look older, you do still, but I like
Everyone's like, you look so much older.
you look more mature.
I
like it.
You like it?
Never told me super short. One more, but she feel it in her blood. Niger, Americana. Coming with a fella. She call me the up in her belly when she hold me tight. Watching her nothing my firefighter. Put her to sleep, let's tranquilizer. She's calling my name. She can't contain. See, I drive her insane. Shout out to my yardie ones, the party ones, even the rowdy ones. You remember that girl from Barbados? They can't break us. Evil operators, fakers.
Say hey to YouTube. Oh my god, everyone wants you back on my channel.
Is it?
After that singing.
You know I didn't watch the video so my friend forced me to watch it. I was thinking, because I already know that I can sing that. Why am I going to listen to myself singing that? You know. Everyone in the comments was saying I can sing. I was thinking, yeah, I know that. Aye. Did you watch the video?
Which one?
The one of me singing.
Wait.
You know,
Did you watch it?
Oh yeah, it was terrible.
No, but I can sing.
She's calling my name. She can't She begging me to come around. I tell her come around. 2 seconds with me, then she had to turn around and give it up. Back shot, then she wind up on it. Bedroom bully, baby love to rough up the kid. Rough up the kid, baby.
I don't do that to me, man. Oh, that's your side, though. Oh! Hey, nah. Come on, nah.
Curled like.
You have to think, fam. Look.
You were filming me?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so silly. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
So much. Subscribe and watch my channel. Thank you guys once again. Very slick really.
Buddy girl, you're so again once again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. See how little, you know, slayed this cute little bob. It's a little bit new for me because I've never done this colour, and on top of that I've never like done a bob with like black, like I've never done a colour with black roots. But obviously I think it's like growing on me. I really like it, and obviously some other people have told me that they like it as well. So yeah, so now I've got uni. I've got a little lecture, so wish me luck. This term we're gonna be serious candidates, okay? We're gonna be very serious candidates, or at least we're gonna try. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.